Sister Girl line dance here with an easy line dance for everybody. Choreographed by Big Mucci to his song called Legwerk, W-E-R-K. Real easy. We start on the right. It's up, back, out, in, slide. So if you want to count, 1, 2, 3, 4, slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, slide. I'll show you again. 1, 2, 3, 4, slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, slide. Then back on the right, back on the left. Okay? Let's just do that. 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, slide. Then back on the right, back on the left. Then we're going to walk up. 1, 2, 3, clap, clap. All right? So 1, 2, 3, clap, clap. All right? So we are back on the right, back on the left. 1, 2, 3, clap, clap. All right? So you have 2 claps. After you clap, up on the right, 1, 2, 3. Up on the left, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Then kick, 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 and turn, and back, 2, 3, 4. And the dance starts over. It starts over. 1, 2, 3, 4, slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, slide. Then back on the right, back on the left. 1, 2, 3, clap. Up and 1, 2, 3. Up and 1, 2, 3. Kick, 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 and turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up and back, back, down. Do, 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 do. Do, do. 1, 2, 3, clap. Up. 1, 2, 3. Up. 1, 2, 3. Kick, 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 and turn. Back, 2, 3, 4. That's the whole dance. Big Mucci, leg work. Easy peasy, folks.